Hi, my name's Diane, and today I'll be showing you how MedEssist works in your pharmacy. MedEssist is a comprehensive healthcare tool designed to engage and support your patients. Did you know that up to 10% of hospitalizations are due to patients not taking their medications properly? With MedEssist, your patients will be equipped with images, videos, information, and notifications to help guide them through their medication doses. Patients can also order refills, medication reviews, and have their medication record available with just the tap of a button. MedEssist has tremendous benefit to the pharmacy as well. By streamlining your workflow with MedEssist's modern patient experience, you keep your patients coming back to you in an organized and predictable way. This means you'll be spending less time on the phone figuring out what medications your patients need, and more time focusing on the person behind the medications. Let's get started. One of the most unique aspects of MedEssist is our pharmacy receipt scanning feature. There's no account to make or typing required by patients. It can't get any easier. Once your patients download the free MedEssist app from the Apple App Store or Google Play, tap the Add button at the top left corner of the home screen to add a medication by scanning the prescription receipt. The next time your patient needs a refill, a new prescription, or an OTC product, they can submit it under the Refills tab. The request, including any questions patients have about the order, then prints automatically from your printer. What's great about MedEssist is there's no new dashboard or to-do list to check. MedEssist is so incredibly easy to implement into your workflow that it just works regardless of how your pharmacy is set out. We make things even simpler by providing posters and handouts to your pharmacy to help you introduce MedEssist to your patients. For new prescriptions, an image of the prescription is also printed. Patients cannot order new prescriptions for delivery as we want to collect the original prescription. We recommend stapling the order to the prescription bag as a reminder to obtain the original copy from the patient. MedEssist is so simple to use that the majority of patients can set up and use the app themselves. However, if a patient doesn't feel confident entering their medications themselves, we have a built-in medication review feature so that when you help them set up MedEssist, you can conduct a medication review at the same time. In Ontario, tapping the Send Ontario MedsCheck button under the Settings tab will generate and send a MedsCheck form to the pharmacy as a PDF file. Just print it off. All their medications, including any OTC products, are pre-filled for you. MedEssist is a remarkably simple way to reduce workflow interruptions and miscommunications. This enables a more predictable work environment for you and a consistent patient experience for your patients. We hope this video has given you an idea of how MedEssist will work in your pharmacy. In the next video, we will discuss how best to introduce MedEssist to your patients and other tips on how MedEssist can make your day just a little bit easier.